Alright, you want to show them how you do the screw? Did you drop it? Well, you gotta hold it with both hands. Here, look, you film and I'll show you. Ready? Here, hold the phone. You filming? See this? You stick it and you have to hold it with your hand like that. And then you stick it in the wood. You go.
Oh, perfect. Here's a couple of screws for you. How about we do this? We'll pound them into the wood for you first. Here, hold the phone.
Go like this.
Well, Andrew, you're pretty good at this. What?
Okay, are you gonna drill them in? Should I start them for you? You can finish them? Okay, now you can finish them. Gotta link it up in the screw. You gotta push it really hard. Well, you gotta push down on the screw really hard. Here, should we do it together? Ready? Here, you push the button. I'll help you push it down. Okay, push the button. Good job. Did you do it?